Jaiminiya Brahmana, illuminating the rituals and spiritual insights of the Samveda. The Jaiminiya Brahmana, an intricate component of the Samveda, offers a profound understanding of rituals and spiritual wisdom. This article delves into the essence of the Jaiminiya Brahmana, exploring its composition, ritualistic significance, allegorical interpretations, and its enduring relevance in providing seekers with a holistic approach to connecting with the divine. Brief overview. Nestled within the verses of the Samveda, the Jaiminiya Brahmana beckons seekers to explore the harmonious blend of rituals and spiritual understanding. This collection of texts transcends the outward practices of rituals, inviting individuals to delve into the deeper connections between their actions and the cosmic order. Composition and structure. The Jaiminiya Brahmana is meticulously organized into chapters that delve into rituals, their significance, and their relationship to the universe. Named after the sage Jaimini, this Brahmana offers insights into the philosophical and practical dimensions of rituals. Ritualistic significance. At its core, the Jaiminiya Brahmana serves as a guide to understanding the rituals practiced during the Vedic era. It describes the procedures, mantras, and symbolic actions of these rituals. These rituals are not mechanical acts, but rather a means to establish a connection with divine forces and resonate with the cosmic rhythm. Philosophical and symbolic interpretations. The Jaiminiya Brahmana transcends the surface level of rituals, delving into their symbolic depths. Rituals are considered microcosmic reflections of macrocosmic processes, and symbolic actions unveil spiritual truths. This approach transforms rituals into potent tools for personal growth and self-discovery. Spiritual insights. Interwoven with rituals and symbolism are philosophical reflections that broaden the understanding of spiritual truths. The Brahmana contemplates the nature of existence, the interconnectedness of all life forms, and the path to self-realization. These insights guide seekers towards a deeper understanding of the cosmic order. Harmony with the universe. The Jaiminiya Brahmana emphasizes the theme of harmony with the universe. By engaging in rituals with a deeper awareness of their symbolic significance, individuals harmonize their actions with the cosmic rhythms, fostering a sense of unity with the universe. Enduring relevance. In the modern context, the teachings of the Jaiminiya Brahmana continue to be relevant and impactful. Its emphasis on the integration of rituals, symbolism, and philosophical contemplation offers a comprehensive approach to spiritual exploration. It invites individuals to bridge the gap between the material and the spiritual, fostering a deep connection to both the ritualistic practices and the profound metaphysical dimensions. Conclusion. The Jaiminiya Brahmana stands as a testament to the profound integration of rituals and spiritual insights within the Samveda. By immersing ourselves in its verses, rituals, and contemplative practices, we embark on a transformative journey. The Brahmana invites us to unravel the layers of meaning within rituals, bridging the gap between the external and internal, and ultimately guiding us towards a harmonious existence resonating with the cosmic symphony of the universe.